An unreliable partner. That's how the Chief Justice has described the Justice Ministry as it continues to push for more resources to repair courthouses damaged by Hurricane Melissa. Chief Justice Brian Sykes was speaking earlier today at a ceremony to mark the swearing-in of judges of the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court. Another public forum, but it's a similar story. Roughly 6 months after government and court officials looked at the damage to several courthouses in western Jamaica due to Hurricane Melissa.
To date, there has been no response in terms of getting the main court in Savannah Lamar either up and running or being replaced. Nothing has happened.
Judges, support staff, and citizens are struggling. Some judges have been reportedly working from their cars, and the citizens have been sitting on the tents.
We repeat again that the judiciary needs to have greater control over the resources, and it's a simple division of labor. Make the buildings, hand them over, and we'll maintain them, because as the experience of Hurricane Melissa has shown, the ministry is an unreliable partner in this endeavor.
So what has the judiciary done to assist with post-Hurricane Melissa restoration efforts in Westmoreland?
Well, for the budget that we have had, we repaired the family court, so it now has the roof on, clean up the facility inside, add an additional bathroom and so on. So that court is now up and running and functioning. Prior to that, there was just one courtroom.
In the meantime, President of the Court of Appeal, Justice Marva MacDonald Bishop, also called for the physical infrastructure of courthouses to be improved. Even though the Court of Appeal was refurbished about 8 years ago, there are some clear and present dangers at its location in downtown Kingston.
Sewage. Now the sewage is seeping into the Court of Appeal, affecting us day by day. The homeless people pose a serious security risk for us. The taxi operators who park at the court steps pose a serious security risk for us. And so do the higglers who ply their wares along the court's outside corridors. So the Court of Appeal is not a model of perfection or comfort, Chief Justice.